Welcome to Urdu Academy Jakarta. Today the topic is how to use maybe or might in Urdu language. Like how do you say maybe I will go to Pakistan or maybe it will rain. Like how we use maybe or might in Urdu language. Today we are going to learn in a simple and easy way. Let's start the lesson. We will start with the maybe. How to say maybe in Urdu. Maybe we say हो सकता है हो हो सकता है in Urdu script we write like हो सकता है literally when you say हो सकता है it meaning it can be happen, it can be, so is more like it it can be, like it shows the possibilities because sakta, the sakta is come from can. That's mean it can happen. You're not sure, it's uncertain thing that it can happen. So in Urdu maybe ho sakta hai. Sometimes we use another word that's called shayad, but I think ho sakta hai is easy to pronounce. Ho sakta hai. Now let's make an example. Maybe I will go to Pakistan. Maybe I will go to Pakistan. Okay. The using of maybe in future tense, you need to learn two rules, but it's very easy and simple. Let's just say I will go to Pakistan in the future tense. You will say मैं पाकिस्तान जाऊंगा जाऊंगा. You can use ga or gi, depend the gender. Ga for the boys, masculine, and gi for the girls. Now look at this. When you say I will go to Pakistan, you are saying मैं पाकिस्तान जाऊंगा. So what you need to do? The future tense conjugation. If you don't know the future tense, you can maybe see the other videos. But in here, we're just discussing the maybe. So मैं पाकिस्तान जाऊंगा. The ga or gi is come from will. Okay. And when we use maybe, which is हो सकता है, हो सकता है, हो सकता है, मैं पाकिस्तान जाऊंगा. What you need to do? We need to drop the ga or gi. Just use simple future tense conjugation. Maybe I will go to Pakistan. हो सकता है मैं पाकिस्तान जाऊं. But skip or drop the ga or gi. Future tense conjugation, okay, but drop the ga or gi. That's the simple rule. So we make another example. Maybe you say, maybe I will buy a phone. So how you say I will buy a phone in Urdu? I will buy a phone. In Urdu, I think you will say मैं फ़ोन खरीदूँगा. मैं फ़ोन खरीद, put on because of future tense, खरीदूँगा. Like I will buy a phone, मैं फ़ोन खरीदूँगा. Now if you say maybe or I might buy a phone, you can add हो सकता है. The red is better actually. हो ऐसे हो सकता है. And now you will drop the ga or gi. So you will say हो सकता है मैं फ़ोन खरीदूँ. Right? It is kha. In the future, if you say I will eat pasta, you will say मैं पास्ता खाऊंगा. But if you say I might eat pasta or maybe I will eat pasta, then use the future conjugation but drop ga or gi. So you will say हो सकता है मैं पास्ता खाऊं. Don't confuse with the conjugation, it's simply the future tense. Like खाऊंगा खाऊंगा, you can say in your head हो सकता है मैं पास्ता खाऊंगा, but don't say it loudly, just say in your head to remind yourself that it's just future tense, not nothing else. So मैं पास्ता खाऊंगा, skip ga. So हो सकता है मैं पास्ता खाऊं. For example, if you say I might watch the World Cup, this is we have the World Cup, so you can say हो सकता है मैं World Cup देखूं. Normal future tense, I will watch World Cup, मैं World Cup देखूंगा, देखूंगा. Skip गा, use हो सकता है in the beginning, very beginning. हो सकता है मैं World Cup देखूं. Here we have one more example. Maybe it will rain today. So just let's try to say it will rain today. You will say आज बारिश, बारिश is rain, okay? आज बारिश होगी. बारिश is feminine, so we are using गी. आज बारिश होगी. Now, let's try out the script actually. I can start from here. आज बारिश होगी. Now, when you say it will be rain, like maybe, maybe it हो सकता है. So simply say हो सकता है, हो सकता है, and then drop गी. ठीक है. हो सकता है आज बारिश हो. हो सकता है आज बारिश हो. All the verbs that come with be, like ho, we just leave it as ho, do not need to conjugate, okay, and then drop ga or gi. We can, let's try another example actually. Let's say maybe he will be late. Maybe he will be late. Late. In Urdu, for late, we can use the word late, it's okay. So how do you say maybe he will be late? You will start with the ho sakta hai. So हो सकता है, हो सकता है. When you normally say he will be late, we say वो late होगा. Like he will be late, वो late होगा. वो late होगा. We're using ga because of the boy, okay? If you say she will be late, you will say वो late होगी. It will rain, बारिश होगी. If you say the match will start at 10 o'clock, match 10 बजे शुरू होगा. So all the things that come with the ho, just drop ga or gi, and in the beginning put हो सकता है. So again we will drop here ga, sorry. So maybe he will be late, हो सकता है वो late हो. Maybe it will rain, or even if you say in English it might rain, in Urdu it will be same. हो सकता है आज बारिश हो. If no हो सकता है, then simply use ga or gi at the end. We have one more example. Maybe she will call in the evening. This time we are trying to use the third person in the future tense, like how to say she will, he will, or other people. So maybe she will call in the evening. Let's just try how to say she will call in the evening. Is the place for हो सकता है. Okay. वो, how do you say in the evening? We say शाम, शाम को. वो शाम को. To make a phone call, you can just use call कर. कर, use future tense करे, and then at the end you say गी. Right? So she will call in the evening. वो शाम को कॉल करेगी. Now हो सकता है simply. So हो सकता है, हो सकता है वो शाम को कॉल करे. Then skip ga or gi, okay? In the future tense, for the third person, we use e sound. Okay, if you need to learn future tense, you can see the other videos. So वो call करेगी, like she will call. Just skip gi, but करे just simple future tense. So हो सकता है वो शाम को call करे. हो सकता है, हो सकता है वो शाम को call. When you say to make a phone call, like call कर, you even can say phone कर, they're both common. Like वो phone करेगी और वो call करेगी. तो हो सकता है वो शाम को call करेगी, okay? We will skip the key. So हो सकता है वो शाम को call करे. I think I give you a different sentence. You will try in the comment box. How do you say maybe he will come tomorrow? Maybe he will come tomorrow. Alright. You can write the answer in the comment box. How do you say maybe he will come tomorrow? Use come in the future tense. The come is okay? The basic verb is and then skip the ga or gi. So maybe he will come tomorrow. Alright. Now we have example for plural. Maybe we will help you. So first let's say how do you say we will help you? You will say we is हम आपकी हम आपकी to help is मदद कर. So हम आपकी मदद करेंगे करेंगे because we are plural. हम आपकी मदद करेंगे. The madad is feminine, that's why we always use like aapki madad. Literally means your help. Like we will do your help. So your help, okay? That's why it's aapki madad. हम आपकी मदद करेंगे. So maybe just say हो सकता है. हो सकता है. Then when you are saying हो सकता है, maybe we will help you, then drop the गे. This is the most confusing. When you're talking about third person, like she will go to gym, वो gym जाएगी, versus we will go to gym, हम gym जाएंगे, and then you add हो सकता है, then don't confuse. For third person, you always say हो सकता है वो gym जाए. Like हो सकता है वो gym जाए. 1 minute. Gym. Okay. So when you're talking about third person, like Ali will go to gym, he will go to gym, you will say हो सकता है वो gym जाए. And when you're talking about plural, like they will go to gym, maybe we will go to gym, हम gym जाएं. Okay? And the both, for the both you will skip ga or ge, okay? तो हो सकता है वो gym जाए, or maybe we will go to gym, हो सकता है हम gym जाएं. Okay? Don't mix with the jai and jaएं. Simply future tense, gym जाएगा, he will go to gym, हम gym जाएंगे, we will go to gym. Drop ga, gi or ge when you saying हो सकता है. So हो सकता है. Yeah. हो सकता है, and then simply follow this sentence structure. वो जिम जाएगा, he will go to gym. For plural, वो जिम जाएंगे, skip गे. And if you're talking about yourself, like maybe I will go to gym, you will say gym जाऊं. Like ja, then put sound. जाऊं. Now, how do you say maybe I will go to gym? You will say हो सकता है मैं gym जाऊं. For third person, Ali, Sarah, Jenny, Muhammad, हो सकता है Ali gym जाए. And for plural, like we, you, आप, हम, they, जाएं. हो सकता है आप और हम जिम जाएं. So simple, okay? Just use हो सकता है in the beginning and drop ga, gi or ge. If you have any question, you can write me in the comment box, and I will leave some exercise at the end of the video. You can write down the answers in the comment box. And if you're interested to have a personal Urdu class, you can text me on my WhatsApp or email me. I offer personal Urdu classes at Zoom. All right, Allah Hafiz.